Hi, I'm Oath. This is what I got with everything I have left in the refrigerator. Have imitated crab, boiled eggs, shrimp, pork bone that I cut and always keep from pork chop, and I can use that make the soup, the stock, and celery, carrot, and I boil everything together with the cube, the flavor cube to make soup. And then I have some noodle left from other days. I make noodles stir fry with spicy basil and sausage patty. I have left little bit, and also very little rice that was in the bowl, and I take the soup and enjoy. It's very tasty for me. You can try if you want. It's very easy to make, to cook. Thank you for watching. Bye.